Obirigiro bwakwa muraithiria wa Meru TV uri na kagita gakega mbitikiria kwa gitio nkumenyithura kuri kirimetha yetu ya nteto cha Meru TV ugoro ritoka mbita kathure wa mburugu na tukiambiria na nteto chetu ni gutwika nyuma ya minista wa kithomo Migos Ogamba kurekeria mpumi cha kigero kia KCSE muthenya Jonarua riu kamera ya Meru TV ni riongirite cukuru mwanya gutegeora kithomo kiumirite aja county yetu ya Meru arekiri mocha cukuru tumbete kwithira tugikinya ni St Mary's iria hirintere Chegori South Imenti Kanyakine Boys na Kinya Meru School iria hiri na mpumi njega aja county ya Meru. Mwandiki wetu wa nteto Jefu wa Gituma na gututariria nkoroki.
Nawe minista wa kithomo wa Kenya ukumenyekana ja Migos Ogamba narekeretie mpumi cha kigero gia KCSE muthenya Jonarua ni araugite arito bathithitie kigero giki mwaka muthiru ni babaingi kurukie mwaka jura jongi jo 2024 na kuga kinya na bari ni babaingi mwaka jujo kurukia na bandaka.
Ladies and gentlemen, during the 2025 KCSE examinations, 993,226 candidates sat the examination compared to 962,512 candidates in the year 2024. This represents an increase by 30,714 candidates, which is an increase of 3.19%. Of the 993,226 candidates who sat the 2025 KCSE examinations, 492,012 were male, while 501,214 were female, representing 49.54% and 50.46% of the total candidature, respectively. This is the second year in a row since inception of the KCSE examinations that female candidates are more than male candidates.
Nkuruki minister ujo na ugite ana bagwatikanire bakiaga kigerio bateo na mpumi ciao jaura ugite igitara kigerio.
I wish to reiterate that our stand on the integrity of examinations in November last year, we indicated that there were reported cases under investigation and that action would be taken upon conclusion of the investigations. At the conclusion of the KCSE examination, 1,180 candidates were found to have been involved in examination irregularities. Consequently, and in line with the applicable law and regulations, their examination results have been cancelled.
Aja Meru ni turiongirite imwe cha cukuru ithithitie bwega kiri kigerio kia mwaka juju ni ara cukuru ya mbere tukinyithitie kuguru ni St Mary's na uju ni mwarimu munene agitariria ura bethirite bakithithia.
We had a candidature of 455 girls and they have done us proud. We were able to post 8 plain A's, 71 A minuses, 109 B plus, 115 B's, 89 B minus, 40 C plus, 19 plain C, 2 C minus, 1 D plus, and 1 D. So that's a normal curve. Our mean score is 9.123 against the mean score of last year, which was 8.4945.
Kuma u twethira tukiriungira cukuru ya nthaka ya Kanyakine kinya yerikiri gicigo mbunge gia South Imenti ni aria kiaria mwarimu munene augite cukuru iji ni ambiritie gukira kairi nyuma ya nkutanio na kithomo kwithira gikithuka cukuru iji na kuga kinya bakethira bagikia na nkuruki ega na kiri university.
This is Kanyakine High School. My name is Dickson Getari, the principal of this great school. I want to take this opportunity to inform all of us that Kanyakine has risen again. Kanyakine is a school that is built on the principles of Christianity, and this year we are celebrating what God has done. We have received good results, a major improvement, taking quite a number of boys to the university, over 100 to the university, and we want to thank God because my board has been very, very supportive Kanyakine has a team of very supportive teachers, very hardworking teachers, and very intelligent teachers. Our students are okay, very disciplined, and I want to inform this country that Kanyakine is the place to be.
Ntere chanothi menti netukinyite Meru School aria kinya kubombite kwithira bagikungwira mpumi yeje na njira ya mwanya.
A plane chia 2024 chiari 52, mwaka jojo e 69. A minus chiari 83, mwaka jojo 136. B plus mwaka joadhira, that is 2024 chiari 110, mwaka jojo 153. B plane 2024 chiari 100 kana kila tuitage kana, lakini mwaka jojo 117. B minus chiari 77 2024 na 2026 49. C plus chiari 35 2024 2025 13. C chiari 24 this year is 6 na C minus last year chiari 6 this year Nigeria yake.
Nkiripotera Meru TV Mbita Jeff Wagitumam.
Wariboti huo kagitanio kauna kusukuru ya Meru School numbete kwithurwa kiuna record na kwigwatira mini grade ya goro irani 9.9 kuma kire mini grade ya 9.36 ya mwaka muthiru aria kire aritwa 585 bararo mparombere kwithurwa bakigerio kiki aritwa 537 nibigwatirite kanya ga gutonya kire university nkurukina we principal wa sukuru Mwenda Rutere nombete kwithurwa gicokeria nkatho aritwa na kinya arimo nonto bagochitaniria na kurita mpumi njega. Mwandiki wetu wa Ntoto Mutuki wa Kiambi na kurikithia nkuruki.
Igirana bya KCSE birikite na kurekerwa na Aroni waziri wa kithomo Julius Migosi Ogamba aja kaunti ya Meru shukuru kathomba nicionekete gukungwira mpumi cigirano ya bibi Meru School ikitharane na min grade ya 9.6 kuma kire 9.3 mwaka jwa kuruka na bwaritwa 537 kire aritwa 540 na 5 berigiri gwita university.
This is 99% nuntuniana bana nake 545 barapatita university, lakini baba pakajoin tertiary colleges nuntunuko ni baire akibe na C minus au bangi bonde utumana utumba gwita ajoin tertiary colleges alivia diploma na bandaye alivia degree.
I'm happy for those results, and I want to thank my colleagues here for the work we did with those students of 2025. The students were receptive. Their discipline pushed them to these results, and we expected these results. As our target was 10.952, we knew we were going to hit it because of the discipline those boys displayed.
Thosiucia ana baba ba Meru School ya mwanka juju itatumakia nontu itwategete tuona ana baba kathije bwega nontu boy nontu manto jara jonde twabera bathithie bathithagia na discipline kuuricia uma twamenya itumenya results ikabua inde igutukenia bwega muno nontu itwaije ana baba ne ana disciplined ne ana focused ne ana bakwenda kuthikiria na ana bakwenda kuthoma ikitumio kuona twina aritwa banana akibara batithite university inde bageta TVET na those other colleges.
Shukuru ya mwingi ya runogone nayo bagikinyia barabara na gukungwira aritwa batano barabetite university.
Atugwiritwe mono nontu aritwa betu ibakurukite na inya mono nkurukie miaka iu ingi ikurukite na ikugwirwa twikitia na baba ingi university na bangi technicals no te mwana ote na certificate mwaka juju.
Shukuru nayo ya kambitire kinya yone ya shukuru ya mwingi na ya kuwana ikiregera gwikia aritwa bana ba university. Shukuru ingire itharite anene aja kaunti ya Meru ni amwe na St. Mary Goji South Imenti ontulile boys kuma bore bari na mini grade ya 8.5 na shukuru yare ya kibelechere na 5.3. cukuru cia mwingi amwe na mbobo nĩ cionekete gũkĩra nenekera igeranio bibi bia mwaka juju aja kaunti-inĩ ya Meru ĩkĩringithanio na mwaka jwa kũrũka
kuria kwithwo tithiite bwega ati form 4 level even grade 9 kuria wite university to the head no we took the other courses and there are many of them na bakadia kwanza better off TVET colleges are better off these days.
Omuntu ena talent yewe, right? Ali akomenya talent yewe ni eri ni abu gukuria, right? Na bahatu twamenya talent yewe tukamufusha gukuria talent yeriko yewe.
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma gĩcigo bunge kĩa North Imenti, Mbita Mutugi wa Kiambi.
Warira mpumi cha KCSE chumirite riu nawe mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Ndagara Waiguna nombete kwithirwa akigwatiri mwe cha mpumi chi kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi arabu tutariria manto oria jakari.
Majina inaitwa Maurice Biga, principal Ikomboes High School. Leo tunasherehekea matokeo mema ya kidato cha 4 mtihani wa KCSE mwaka uliopita 2025. Tulikuwa na watahiniwa 315 na wote walifanya mtihani, na kati ya hao tunasherehekea kwa sababu kati ya hao 310 waliweza kupata alama ya C+ and above, kwa sababu wale walikuwa na alama ya mbele walikuwa 7 ambao walipata A, vijana 37 wakapata A-, vijana 93 wakapata B+, vijana 83 wakapata B plain, vijana 64 wakapata B-, 6 wakapata C+, na vijana 5 wakapata C. Hiyo inamaanisha kati ya hao vijana wote waliofanya mtihani vijana 310 waliweza kupata alama ya C+ and above, na tukapata transition ya university ya 98.43%. Alama yetu the mean score ilikuwa 9.18 ambayo tumeongezea na alama ya 0.58 kwa sababu mwaka wa 2024 tulikuwa tumepata 8.59 and then we jumped to 9.18.
My name is Morethi Nelson, Principal Chuka Boys High School in Tharaka Nithi County. The provisional results for the year 2025 KCSE is as follows. In grade A, 1, grade A- 10, B+ 28, B 54, B- 71, C+ 59. That is a total of 223 boys getting direct entry to university out of the 323 candidates. Then grade C were 43 boys got grade C, C- 44, D+ 12 boys and only 1 D. This gives us a mean score of 7.424, up from 6.5 in the year 2024. This school has recorded an impressive improvement in terms of improvement index. That is an improvement index of 0.92 between the years 2024 and 2025.
Kiri riboti ingi na kuni gutwika Caleb Mutete Kibuko MCA wa municipality na tumirite na kuga gutingari ya koria monki iri aja county ya Meru bobo hikumania na ekarikari ari athithikite aja county ya Meru nyuma ya nchera ya Meru Meru prison koya na gutiga thirikari utionto bathithitie kaneto thirikari ya county tonyera araki ari na ndi na mubunge Rahim Daud amenerete bonene thirikari ya county no na ya Meru nonto bakuremwa kwaria Mwangi utuko bagukira ntuko ya Jumatano. Mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Jeff wa Gituma ina ripoti hii.
Caleb Muteithia Kibuko MCA wa municipality na umirite na kuga gutengare kwaria Mwangi aja county ya Meru ithirite gita ngugi na cionthe ni nthuku.
Simamoto ira twinacio na Meru nigo teo i-functional nyemwe uteo i-functional
augite bubu nyume ya mujumbe wa North Imenti Raim Daud korotithiria kiara thirikari ya county na kuga ni batere gucokia kiuria uria Mwangi kugwata nchera na bakaremwa kujoria.
Agiza fire engine lakini paka wakati imezimika moto hata paka saa hii zima moto haijafika. So ni lazima tuambiwe na county government, moto ikitokezea Meru town kweli tutaweza kuokoa town kama zimamoto ilishindwa kukuja usiku mzima kukuja kuzima hii moto? Those are hard questions we need answered.
Nkuruki Caleb Muteithia Kibuko na ugite Mwangi gwatira nchera ya mutindwa ne juitite kithuno thirikari ya county ya Meru amwe na thirikari nene.
Ronere Mwangi jurareo aja prisons na gintu kiri kithithite gintu tuga go expose kia to expose na bandwe as not just a county but a national government as well. Atiri mantuja accident mantuja emergency jatibati kwithwa jetigairwo aki thirikari county government, it should be a corrective responsibility.
Nkuruki mutongeria ujo
na ugejotegera ikarikaria rirakarikite ara prisons it go expose national government in terms of prisons itina any means emergency nonto thiria kwina gintu gikinene ka a very serious institution ja prisons ire yumbiti kwithura ikite antu bara ithiru ikite ara more than 200 plus ni bati kwithura ina its own means na measures ire bati kwithura in case of any emergency ni kumbome attack ne kombi kome contain. Now this is the reason why naron kwandi kuga what is happening na mantu institutions tia tu tiko exposed in a big way uratu bati kuda tu chura ya nandi that as a county what exactly any ikedwe unde tu akiki county idhura igintu gikudwa giki national government na county government nunto wankuria kiuria na arua in case gukeda kudwa kwina Mwangi cibitari eto general level 5 ka level 6 ira ijite tudwa tweterete o county government idhwa nego fighta Mwangi jwe level 5 kana ibati kudwa igintu that tungwa as a hospital both the national government nunto nyadra LD devolved still their functions and there are many areas in national government. How are we prepared? Nikyo kiran kuria na arua kena tumbi ko handle emergency siri kweja.
Niara kirekeria MCA ojo augite weja MCA gutiwa ringiumba kuthithia bunene kwaria Mwangi na kuga boja atongeria nandi ni bethirite bakigwa antune au.
Ndijite na arua kwaria jaka nkwendi ku defend either county government ka ku defend ndrone antu babengi bakimbonania nkioro ta atochi ndendo boria kiuria kimwe oni na tandingithithia mbiundi kumulika atochi nyandingeja ki karo ki Mwangi jurea tandina dina means tia kwaza MCA within the municipality urambatigo command thai itwedo fire station numare Mwangi jo tutumire membi injinsira twinacho. I don't have that power as the MCA. And that brings me to now the realization as a Rinda that we have failed everybody in leadership thai tubati tukarende na twidure na round table kenda antubara tutongerete tukethe tuiba expose ura turone ko expose wa Mwangi jura
nkiripotera Meru TV mbita Jeff wa Gituma.
Nkuruki kiri riboti ingi kiri mantu ja siasa ni gutwika bamwe ba bunge na kinya atongeria bakiama kia UDA muthenya na arua ni bakuthite muchemanio kiri kwaririria uringi kura kana kithurano kiri gikethurwa gikithithika muthenya jwa rojo kiri gya kuthura atongeria ba matora. ni aria bakiaria atongera baba borite akari gutigera bakuige kathere na kinya gutigera mantu jao ja kwagira kende kare karere kathithikana njire mbagiru okagitania kou ni beririte amemba kiri kithurano giki gukethura kuri na uma na weru. Mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Mutugi wa Kiambi na kurikithia nkuruki.
Ithurano biatongera bakiama kia UDA mature ne birigiri kuthithika ntuku ya ruju atongere omwe na bunge no betete na mbere kumenyithia mwingi bataya guciumiria.
Naitisha hii mkutano ama press conference ni kuomba watu wajitokezee kukuja kupiga kura ya wale wanataka kura ya UDA kwa polling station ya grassroots.
Antu bonde baraba iba UDA kiama kia UDA baciumirie bathure atongeria bao baraba kwenda batongeria kiama kuma nthiguru na tejuke thea mwisho nonto after the grassroots elections to get at the next level of election kwa baraba kadurwa 20 people baraba kadurwa for various positions ibo bageta by participate in the next level mwanka twete na elections mwanka by April twethire tukudura chairman wetu at the national level.
Kuna representative bana ba youth, kuna representative bana bantu ba biashara kana SME, kuna representative ba region badato, kuna representative ba special group unio kwethera kuna people with disability, kuna bange member kukedera kuna either a lady or a gentleman, kuna still representative of professional group, maybe bankers, engineers and gintu takeu na itebiu bionde biringaneri bikethera birite 20 na delegates baraba kadhurwe ibona nde bageta ahead go choose the World Executive Committee antu batantatu
atongere baba bakinyeria ati kithurano giki kethera kire kia uma na weru na mwingi wa mwena atongere bakirombo guciebanira na makarika jawa gagia bwaukaria kagita ka mutaratara juju.
Process eje is free and fair, kura ikathithwa through the digital system ingotike buka bagatumira like a tablet ukeja ugatega mbishe muturo kwenda kuthura kwa inyabara bekiria ubathurwa bena right ya kuthura na among themselves na baraba keja bakiama kia UDA babadhure ukeja kuthura no kwenda utonya kia mene between now na rodo kenda oringa kura no ingotike kia make ikyo kia makiomba gukuria rutere rwetu rwa Meru rutere rwa maendeleo nonto inao deputy president wetu deputy party leader we na opportunity ya change na kuregister kiama procedure star 549 ash udhingate process.
Na kile tunaomba wale watajitokezea, tafadhali hatutaki mambo ya fujo. Security tayari imepangwa na county commissioner pamoja na watu ya security because hiyo itafanywa na IBC.
Batu itokwenda biethira biena heshima bitena thogo no keja kwetha kwi mutongeria ucigwa na kwenda kweja kuthuki ithurano bia UDA ruju wale UDA wauma kana we UDA twakujukiria atua no ntu batwe turenda ntu baciumiria ruju bathure atongeria ba grassroots para bakagwatira kiama no ntu kiama giki ndene Kenya nikyo kinene kila kina William Ruto na Professor Kithure Kindiki kwa wito koromba antu betu tukaria kiama kia UDA
baria nabo bagachino bakirombo kugwata mbaru na kuika barabangi kana kuandika baru ya kire kamiti ya kuthikira magamba ya kiama kethira batinganirwo ni mpumiji.
Kuna dispute tribunal ile iko, so once kura zimepigwa kesho kura zitaanza inafunguliwa I think it's from 9 to 3 o'clock. So ni kutoka saa 3 mpaka saa 9 ndio inafungwa, haitaongezwa muda. From 9 to 3 haitaongezwa muda, so watu wajitokezee, na wale hawataridhika wataandika hiyo wakati next week wataandika hiyo protest letter ama dispute resolution ndio iende kwa party headquarters through the RO ama wale wanawasimamia.
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma gicigo bunge kia Northimenti Mbeita Mutugi wa Kiambi.
Na muthike na muraithiria riboti ya Mutugi wa Kiambi kwamba kwithire gitwa kanyaga kunogoka hindi njokeretie na nteto ingi ukerukira mitambo.
Karibu Embu College, mahali vipaji vinageuka kuwa taaluma. Hapa tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu mwenye ujuzi unaotafutwa duniani leo. Kozi zetu ni pamoja na biashara na uhasibu, kupata msingi imara wa dunia ya fedha na biashara, uandishi, kujenga, kubuni na kuunda suluhisho za kifundi, ususi na urembo kwa ubunifu unaogusa maisha na kuongeza weledi, upishi, kuleta ujuzi wa mapishi ya kitaalamu na ladha zinazovutia, usimamizi wa utalii, kukuandaa kwa fursa katika sekta ya utalii na huduma, sayansi ya kompyuta na tehema ambapo teknolojia ya kesho inaanza leo, elimu ya udhibiti wa uhalifu, kuchangia usalama na ustawi wa jamii, mhudumu wa afya, wahudumia wengine kwa weledi na huruma, udereva kwa ujuzi salama na wa kuaminika barabarani. Chagua Embu College. Safari yako ya mafanikio inaanza na hatua moja. Jiunge nasi leo kwa kupiga simu 0721 152 709 ama ututembelee katika mitandao ya kijamii Facebook, Instagram na TikTok ni @Embu College. Embu College, skills to go places. Coins Chicken and Chips Hotel. Jo ukeneribia kuria na bia kunywa bietu bire bithuraniri na kiwango kia iguru. Tori mutidwa akwina Meru Mosque. Tori na starters ta shawarma na kebabs. Extras ta cheese na samosas. Fresh juice cha mithemba yonthe. Rotisserie chickens, chips, chicken pieces, combo meals, kings meals, family packs. Anitogitaga outside catering. Tori na outside catering offer. Kiri customers bambere. Kumenya manto nkoroki turingire thimogo kurokira 0727 775 555. 19 Coins Chicken and Chips Hotel. Fresh and tasty.
Tuba gwitana mbere na kuturumira tugitana mbere na nteto chetu ni gucheka nduke mbethe kuma mwirone jwa mtonyere nibachumiritie na kuromba ntuba bethe kuromba itebya kisiasa mwakene jwa 2027 araba kiaria bari akira ngondu igembe central ibarombe tembe umbethe kuchiandikithia taringi kura kenda kuigwatira itebya kisiasa bonde. Mwandiki wetu wa nteto Mureithi wa Bai na ripoti hii.
Nthuki mbithi kuma nene ya igembe ni shumiritie na kugayona ndi mwakene ja 2027 bakethwa barungamite ite bionthe nikenda bakomba kugwata kana gutongeria nthiguru igiteniriri.
Okay. Na kio tongori bwetu bado kuembrezia youth leaders network tukomba gwetha tukia now ground tukia na civic education tuibera nionto batu tuvotera nionto a na a ko batu wetao na nimbio tekwelewa ki utongoria ikenda ri mtu aya now ukethero kemenya ubumba tukwetera ukethero kemenya ndiringete ki MP kenda kentethia ona o so tuketha tu provide civic education Meru North na nationwide endo where's our first
bakiaria barindene ya Igembe Central aria baugite atibo te atongeria barujo kaire endeni atongeria banarua
ngoria antoba bethi for so long to the that tukirwa youth ni atongori baroyo but it's evidence ati thai otongori ba youth wanto ba bethi ni bukuonekana na bwana maendeleo so to call members bonde barabe na mwito yo tongoria be bayonga na batwe turi kundi kana tutethania antu abethi tutethia community cietu tutethia society cietu anigenda to provide leadership ira ina maendeleo nuntu thai turenda atongoria babethi nikenda bomba kwitha bakendelethia community cietu au mbere
ya iromba ringire nkiromba to our youthful people nontoki akolelia the next 30 years to come iba tokeza tuekuo and there is no way leaders baba kubombo twera they are preparing the future for us eba tumba koria iba tokeza tuekuo and it's the high time tuegenda tumba kolelia o twaitethania na the next 30 years nontiba tokeza tuekuo kenda to create a good future na future favorable kebatwe as youths
apati kwetha ndi mwanake kwe kintu kya tuweta energy twina ideas na twina energy kuleta maendeleo kinjamii yetu ukolelia trika yetu kwiba bakuru tutikuria kiutongeru kwendekana experience na tukwetigere mawaitha ya antu akuru lakini kukwendekana energy ile kuleta india injaru the generation inje twiri 21st century na maendeleo ya kwendekana yake thwa ya ketana na the current community
yetura twinio tutumirete ya india yotethia muntu personally tumirete yotethia antu vijana vonthe na kukomboa antu betu kiru komba bwa uongozi bwa bwi ndene ye constituency yetu for example yonto nande igembe south constituency inkolele nkona kwi mantu ya tewita mzuri
Ndukiji mbithi yumirite na nikuria antu babethi bangi baria bakumeka jensi nikenda bakomba kujukia ibande na bombe kujukia kura nikenda bakomba kulita utongeria bora butiagirite na bombe kwithurwa nibo bari mbere
na manto yano ntateta mzuri ibu anton kuromba anto beto bayuke kura na bagikise tukuringa kura na njira yagirite turete uongozi boboya na twete amuto yagirite
engire yanku buromba kwera watire kura yako sauti yako na youth kwena kintu kyoto voter registration during 2024 June maandamano ibo atureko wingi na borona ni ate boy na voices na boy na inya yombo change kintu kinene na maendeleo yenu ekeni tuture wala tuturire tumbe kwa kura nikenda 2027 tumbo sensi otongeria bwetu nkaromba ara wende muyuthi ari sauti yako imibason tukwarua ri niromba yo ungane na batwe nikenda tumba ukira na tukiendelea na kubuithia civic education care our youths our whole elder peoples so that they can take their vote and vote wisely because we want to bring new energy and new change
maringe kura no ntomo songo ura your vote your voice no toka thoti na kura otemeo tukulukia no na tutemea kwaria me nyo tokiwa toza tena kura tutemeo sensi maendeleo ko oinda aromba youth bonthe batule bayuki kura bayuki bande baba teni bande bayuki bande bithai bia bia theri otembi wetwa kenda bomba osenzio ongozi bobwekuo kenda ongozi boto abosenzi twa asa youth omenye ndene Meru County tuketha twita boya
baugite bakajukite bia MP MCA na kinyanga vana nibonaniti ati bomena kainyaga kwirungika
mtu mwethi utekete kina limit utubatu kuroma kikyo ukakothera kawe na mwito iyo roma wetheri governor wethera ni MP MCAs bonde to welcome bwinde onara mtu akuigwa inawena mwito yo serve nonto kintu kwena type of leadership style yombeta kwethe eta practiced for so long and that is servantship leadership
na to welcome itoko magani ko bore kuonza to welcome to the na ngwataniro emwe kenda to waka as a unit team
Murithi wa banki ripotera Meru TV kumaya mirigone ya Igembe Central.
Nibwaga nontuba gwitana mbere na kinya ibwaga murithi wa bano ntuba riboti eu tugiitana mbere ni guteka akari kumakiritura ria kathi wa ndia thangatha ni bachumiritie na kugwata mbaru na kinya gutetera uro kumereria matagite kia MCA tura riu uro kumenyekana ta Matthew Mwenda igweta kumania na emenerwa ria aba gikundi kimwe gia siasa nontuba njira yawe ya kuringira siasa bakiraniria na kamera ya Meru TV Akaribaba nibaugite atongeria na baraba kumereria niborite atongeria na baraba kumererite mwanya kumba kwithura bakige kathiri kagitena gakaba kuringa campaign na kumba kwithura bate kuringira campaign siasa chia mpatho kana siasa chia ndwa okagitanya okau akaribaba nibakumithite mwenda igweta nonto bakuringa siasa chiawe chia uma na kinya siasa chiri na giteo bakiugotongeria jabou nibo bakwenda kuona kire wandi yao. Mwandiki wetu wa Nteto wa Adams Muturia wa Thirenja na kurikithia Nkuruki.
Baana ya kariba nyakine kathi rendene wonde thakatha gicumbu katiganisti para bachumire iche kumba kuithira bakithetera monda tuweta kumane na mari ethirite kiarwa ne para pochindana mbogitine KMCA wonde thakatha kulingana na kariba ibaranete na mari ethirite kiarwa to monda tuweta na ethirite kireta ndo kontuko pagwa monda tuweta ni mtothiri na mto okureta maendeleo kiri wonde thakatha
na batikaringa siasa kurumana nonto siasa te kurumana siasa ni maendeleo kwa medio mwenda iweta kuma iko nenkero gitegia kera bado na tutethete muno bara kwa medio ringa siasa otoreka ni bara ba mwalerie bona na itete muno ge siasa na batiomba nanwe na ngoira media akurita yo tungunda wa ya darasa ni baba inge muno bara baifanye taiba lwami lakini baba taile bora darasa ya ngada ne tena na bageta na rui ko medio na tira ngwira ni sababu bakwenda kuwate medio alitango yo tureka medio alitango sio tureka medio alitango sio maendeleo
medio ni kinara na na ware amenye kinara na ito mwete mbaru no tebo mwaka ruko baba eta bakiwa ngo medio tumwete tukalikia Elia bana ware medio ni kinara 2027 Elia one time and
Tato tiatera tuenda tutakwenda siasa ya ndwa tutakwenda siasa ya kundi tutakwenda siasa ya ibanga tutakwenda siasa ya meoro okay omwe wabau barabara bara security itorondere motono ina akanga barabara na line motono ina wou konde matu bafuremete na abwe buto abutana kithongo bulandi sakas
Nkurukia kariba ibombete kwithira bakiure ntukimbithi babethirite bagite na mbere kwithira kiruma na mitandaone yethira bakiukirwa tuete gesheria bakomba kwithira ikira mtunoriku indi bethire bakirieta mukondo yo sheria
wethira wina mantu yaku ya kurumana wona biroko ona reka kuwa ni medio okay kurumana kwina sheria ira ingaenda murumani ageta kunji masaka na ara kotini na warumana okay kuwa ni medio akuwateria kwa aturea mundu ayakuvia makosa yawe akawatwa atwa ni mtunge amwateria wantu akwenda kuwa twarutero arungi bage kwega kwa sani nikaide tokinya na twasema kwenda kwa kwega
wekethia no kwenda kura romba kura kiboku na romba kura okera antu manifesto ekubya ababwetheria oyabura mwenda ntoiweta kwira antu bira ababwetheria na bikioneka biro orende bira kubwetheria na ibuto lwamina musimamo yukario
kabubutiani
na madio mwendo te mtu akolokera hawa noma madio mwenda ko yakabe abya kura akolokera nyankine madio mwenda ko ya mboro kura akoloka nyankine kam mtoto muthia ataro andwa menya kura kiyo chicho kya kiongwa okyakwethera madio mwenda no andwa re ne tonto atoreta era aspirant to amuringira kura tanto baba te umenya batechura kyura na oikalo ikatoringara mtu muthuku kura no boega awa kuanga kari no weya nwako loka no kolokere akoloka kuanga madio na kari no kolokere akoloka oria okyakwethera wowe mukoro kuate mochie kama beriandu kene mukoro kuate mochie nyana boka ba mochie na ngombe chie mochie wandie nduka yaku mangata moja sio tuko na kwandikira security kwandikira sikari wo kwana kia okay wanawe we muruyo kwa mnyeso ipo kwa mnyeso nimbi wanawe waria na mamluki okaria na amba okaria na sababu okaria na ntomonde okaria mnyeso wangu mangata kera sio tuko na kwandikira sikari wo kwana kia okay na vile wanawe okuwa no tami okwatura kilele kaida no tote nyumba ote kioro ote ngoko ote kaboni ote moka ote kana wana wanika security
muthia Burakari bombite kwithia bakithukira bunene MC wa wondi ya Thangatha Elia Kimathi ikirabo wite kuma be kumuthura otwengo bonete akibaritira
mandu ya Elia wonite na ndeto nyinge mbarekia cia Elia katwathurire muntu ate no tongoria ndrenekie turathura muntu ati TikTok thimone ate meana no tethia antu ndacera boikwa ne ariongo ya wetheria antu bathatu kuo na RMCA na retene na kio ya mbeca cia kaunti cionthe ate ona wome bakulwama abwetheria aungania antu bakandracera no kana kuya ukulukira gara cia siasa ciotheri
kanku Elia ate kuombana na uongozi bobore kubwa kutolindi Thangatha batute wananchi wa Thangatha areti oso kwa sarani nene nge koitanga itamba onto ibya kuomba nonto kuma tora mungu mietene ondare campaign owe ote maendeleo ndona bwithije kinyaka nini hata siku moya inya wetu ati cia thamire wetu kethira ni antu bakwa bwitharia ntamya lakini onde muri minyongo ngwaka na ntona maendeleo yawe antuko kinyemwe ende kwa hivyo nderu wa Elia gokinya sarani na maoro ikwa kuomba na ta kinya sarani na maoro onto atomba na Thangatha wana aromba koitanga itamba atumera nto meuto na suti otengwe ngia kuomba nonto twamwere ngweta Thangatha lakini atoteyanerie nyo mwana totemona ende ondrerwa nacoke sarani ne cia oira ari aceire okunate tomolika ni setha cia thire twamwatia kugura
report ya Meru TV kumatia ni Betanda Msimuturia wa Thirinja
tugitana mbere na nteto chetu ni gutwika Maurice Maingi orokorita ngugekire obishi ya seneta wa Meru acha county ya Meru Ambite na one kinya urokomereria mata gite kia mubunge kiri gicigo mbunge kia Bure na riritie kare rathithikire mweri muthiru riawe kugwatwo migwate ni antu bate kumenyekana aria ameneretwo ntu babo na kugania untu bwa siasa na bumanite na asimu siasa oroti umwendera jamega okagitani okauna ugite mukenya wonthe ari na watho bakurunga magite kana kuigwatira gite kira kwenda atino gwa kana wagagia nguruki akirekeria no mbete kwithura kiuga kinya DCI nitite na mbere na kuthithia uthuthuria kireka riu na ari na witikio ati akaigwatira kioto kiawe mwandiki wetu wa nteto wa Mwendeo Laiboni na kurikithia nguruki
God saved me and they did on 10th ndacemaniri na mantu jatubui whereby da ererward by a friend ambikia njarene chianto anto atekani nyara na bambikiria mantu ne jama ingi muno but I thank God that hichi murungu na ntethire ndomba kwebuka njarene ciao tatemane na wasamaria wema na bambo na kia maisha na later on ndetere na ndandikithia statement with my family kwa DCI na ke crime scene na ara bankobo na ara scene yatekirete press na daiji investigations are underway na ambuge mantu jaja gwita muno nonto egitarenda ndaurire antu ibajire monka nyanja baja in the name of friends bajita ku seek justice for Mollis lakini the same people ibobara bare bamberema kombikia ke scene of crime so onna rwanda ugambumire bomberema mbere ya Meru de sawa na I have taken some times here to recover kana bumera egitare onde inkarania na antu boega oni ngataka kimantu jajonde na evidence very clear kuringana na orampa dictate statement kwa DCI it's very clear that these are political allegations na ntugo menya murengo jo ijweko ambetere finding serious on to ke andalo mantu jake andalo nije rasmo uhakikishe otigere ja gweta bwega ke udingatiri bwega investigations iko bwega in DCI na siasa neo etebati otigera batu ayu tuna voice etebati otigera batu ayu twethirete no maisha tukagara tukwariria na oni ambugende ndemo kali obore na moyuthi obore ndi very concrete mono na utongeria ndi very concrete mono na mantu ja maingi bere senator Meru ibwega senator Kathuri Muronge nonto ogwe kumaria gwa story yakwa tanagoka ni tondingatete kwa okue enyare ndeta kwa DCI ndetrendethera nya statement ciaku no
Muthikiria unyo tugikira gatanta kiri nteto chetu indi mbere mpebera kiri mitambo kana mpebera kiri metha ya nteto ngagutigana rugono rwa mwanya rugono kiwango kia bithatu kia mwirigi wa Charity rwa miaka 60 nyuma ya Ochiathi ara miaka 10 katiba ya Ngirigiri na 10 ero guchiarwa na kureta mawatho ng'ang'aniria kiri ugai botonga ba mugongo kuri imwe cia ntere cia Kenya irumiri ni thina inene ya ung'ang'ania untu butwikite giciariro kia thina no kia nthiguruni ya Kenya. Riu riboti cia rua ikuonia ati Kenya ni mugongo jwa ukia amuni ya Kenya batere akiabao baria bari na bia nthiguru abakiromba nandi kumba kwithirwa bagikinyirwa kana kuikinyire kiwango kiria bakwenda nontu bo metha yetu ya nteto ya Meru TV ni amukirite kumenya kaumo kathina ici na uria tumba kumba kwithirwa tukirikiria thina ici atumba kwithirwa tukigwa rogono ruru Loreti ni mwirigi wa Charity.
Kukira kikiomba kuritaokea ni intervention irekeja introduce ka otonga kidogo. Nikino nto education is very key.
Muraithiria narua kiri gicunji gia bithato na kia muthia kiri rugono rwa mwanya Kenya mugongo jwa ukea. Nitwendete kumenya uria tumba akugita ta thiguru nikenda tuithema na thina iji. Eri njira imwe ya kwenda gukabanira na ukia aja nthiguruni ya Kenya. Eric uria ni mubangania wa utonga kana economist augite thirikari ya Kenya ni batere gucoka kiarago kairi ni ukumenya anaria rwaterere mukaro. Thina ya ukiaja nthiguruni ya Kenya kulingana na mutaalamu wetu ni ati itambiririe nandi indi yakirwo ururi bwa iguru ni baba wa mbere wa mugongo jua nthiguru ya Kenya kuma tukwambirio ciatha tonia mubebero kagoti. Eriki aliuga akwaga umenyo ni gwatumire thirikari iratuika ya mwena jumwe na ontobo nibo aringithirie akenya bonene na no jumwe ya jure ajwetete na mbere gututhethera
kwikio twathomere ki development economics kiuria why people poor. People are poor because they are poor. You get a vicious cycle of poverty. We care not to we care. We care ana baku batumba kuona kithomo kiega kugaikia mwana oku ki poor primary school mwana oria akura ina poor neighborhood that school ra chama na bangi bankia kou aka network yewe kedore antu bai mindset yewe kedore mantu jariku bau bashirigite ku kira kikiomba kuritaokea ni intervention irekeja introduce ka otonga kidogo. Nikino nto education is very key. Na thirikari inakanya ko provide the best education. Nyamtu akethwa enkea njira ira tu niyo enene egwitantu kirokea school education. Ndo through education system mtu akaumara ntorene a better high school thirikari na mbuga etinya a better university system yo yonde funded by government. Na kira kitu tethe tinya tutekatha tu very worse off ekethwa free primary education era kirba kia retere ki tukuga Kenya is 16th in the global ranking. Exactly. Iwe tethe tu mantu ja free education ekethero randi twetere twakinya randi level ekuwe mekinya free secondary education na free university and tertiary education. Tomba kuchinja the entire game non tutoketa twena ntu bathomi. But kure kingi itukuga another reason ni gutuma twena an equal society i job market non to at independence tware na twanya to twinge twangugi nkurukie ntu bara bathomi tukujoke independence muchunku no are mantu jonte ketheri ke factories baba are ke factory na Kenya baka ibara muchunku ambete kuitana and at independence it were right to spend a lot of resources chande goro kire education and thirikari spent a lot of money in education at that time in the Kinya level kumenya when we stop spending there alafu mbeche hichi tumerekire create kukuria industry industrialization oteke muchungu atigete a segmented this economy in a very productive way. Area ra umetenti generico nindo kedera ko area ere majani ko area ere kawa kweria peteretram na manchejara so ito abati kwita tukithomithiana no tukumareria the job sector no tutorichuria reto kire investment ke education ana baba etete ku kenda tukinye level era skills ira tuko train yombe kutonya kembio yombe kutonya ki job market kana gukuria ndiguru so twachethera at that time mtu akinyaga class 3 akaandikwa akinya class 7 era ejekene class 7
yes
areto ki company nene ande kinya level twachenjera ande kwethirwa antu ibaingire nguge na ici na ngugite kuongereka ko urande twina rande thai ni kuletira twinio twina antu baba ingira ande apart mwanya na independence thai twina very many skilled young people but no jobs na iu yonka ni kutuma twithira twina disparities ukethira rande twina very many young people who are not even getting income nyare tukuga kwina half of the population eco live below $1
sure
ikuga kwina unto 20 million bara per day but kuona 130 shillings
sure
na 130 shillings you know bakarira na bagire kuikuria
Ankoroki Eriki augite Kenya na Kenya bakabatara kuthuja bwega atongeria baria bakuthura akurungamira ndwangi iria iri na nchiari ya utonga bwa nthiguru ya Kenya utumiri bwega bwa ugoti na utungi bwega bwa sheria iria ikuguna nthiguru na ananchi.
Solution iko activate our economy iko thivya no kona tutomba kuriukia economy tutena proper plans na kina ntu kuonyania makosa ja thirikari gutonya ika disregard kintu cha vision 2030 iria dembo bangio maendeleo na participate ningwa ke kuthithanya Meru iria yeto vision 2040 Meru county ukatoka kuna thirikari ne kuija nyake at the county level ika disregard no kethira antu barabati yake ku determine future ndiguru ya Kenya ti ataalamu ni anasiasa politicians ake wakethera mwanasiasa noe all knowing in fact mwanasiasa ndiguru ya Kenya noe mantu jonde na au no makosa jari mwanasiasa noe contractor wataki mabarabara baraba kuthithia barabara ya na siasa nations irachikurite na China equal no turande turuga turanda kuma kwa inequality to equal societies from poverty no tutonyere each inequality na poverty kaiko enforce each other. The more you are unequal, the more you are poor. Na poverty gute kiongerekaga. Tuko na these nations kireke ireithithetie kaithithetie positioning antu by merit. Okay, there are antu baraba Quran sectors of the economy, they are the best brains of that economy. Na ikeno iko enrichen. Ndo tugere tukaita antu kene twaba enrichen kembio kimathogano twabathomithia. So that's what we need to do. We need to enrichen situations. Itobati kureta proper interventions. Kithira iki healthcare ituko itobati kulanda itobati ko force man to no a particular politician akwenda karao. Kithira research antu baba ibati tie chunkoni in different nations. Neba wanyania contributory insurance system. Itekaro achieve universal healthcare. Sure. Universal healthcare eka possible through general taxation. Bechira to gojokia kirogoti.
Yes.
Ichi kungana kumba kwa utungati kwa gima pamwere 100%. Thirikari mbere yambio kuthithia other things never to deal with the basic things.
Kuringana na ugari, do you think the Kenyan government nekodithia proper planning ya resources iria kodhrania?
Nande planning is one thing, implementation is the other thing.
Sure.
And in those ministries, to the best brains, to the economists,
sure,
to the advisors, but we are having a problem. Problem era to know at the point of implementation. kinya budgets chetu very good nonto nyatha hii the largest consumer of budget yetu ni education. No to spend a lot of resources kuongera skills kire mbio kire ana vetu, but tutekure where are these kids going?
Sure.
Nonto while we are spending to spend a lot of resources kire education, yani tax resources,
yeah,
yani mbeche hivi tukomba kutumira efficiently kwithirwa ana achiari batuko choka kaire mu ukone kurea fee,
yes,
no kona ukori na mbeche gwita no tukethe icho tumika bwega na no kona bado kwenda recommendations nya bursaries hizi antu chija kwa antu bursaries ni tonye kire education sector,
exactly,
withero we mu Kenya like countries here in developed countries chumbete kwa achieve ukethera o chiarwa we a Kenyan citizen o fundamentals ira tugere chiki constitution wena guarantee ekothoma Monka University,
sure,
free and that quality na thirikari ombete ko guarantee through general taxation yetu teka tukoromba kena tuthomithiana yethirwe atutumira mbeche chetu bwega efficiently to provide best education, and then twena plan jengi to a special plan nontu ne mutaalamu wa economy tutomba kwambia kupanga mbecha na riga atumeka tutena kintu to a special plan. Special plan ikuwa yora muchongo atigire function economy area eje na majani, area eje na pereta, area eje na kahawa. So in those regions,
sure,
and with thirikari neko aka factories neko create value addition era na bara ba thoma,
yeah,
bageta kuthithia ngwiki ma factory jariko jara. Singapore has done that, yeah. Singapore ne chia thora ni reu garenda kuthithia kutonya kiri manufacturing kiri technology, so it set up those creating incentives. Nya China has done that, create incentives kenda ntu bara ba na companies chiko thithia gadgets jai,
sure,
baka ya incentives baka dhonde baka ambia factories na kana companies no bena holiday tax holidays baka wenya miundo theri no ntu ibeje ba set yau kabaka ya nantu kumome baka ndekanto na ba the education system yao in a way eko chan skills yi kuendekana,
sure,
anto bateta kuitanwa manto jare irrelevant keda tore aka factory cha waka laptop to batu kwenda tukiongera education ke STEM kiri sciences,
yes,
na practical sciences anto baka dito baka with the capacitors ko dito ambi in schools,
sure,
kuma barana banini. So it lazima itoe a conscious and deliberate effort by government. Na one of the challenges to onete me personally having worked in government and they outside government right now, ni ati kuna anto baketha bag dirkarine baketha bateko appreciate new ideas,
sure,
na tutokomba ku incorporate madhuganio refined, sure, nonto gateka kuona like jaraja onete a place in our economy ja M-Pesa, mtu from the university eja na idea ja eja kwa private sector,
sure,
tutokomba kuona thirikari ojo this a private Oxfam, is an non-governmental organization,
exactly, yeah,
but the tempumi jaiji. These are the things that government should be looking at.
sure.
I'm glad that Ndindi Nyoro, a former an economist like me, are in the same university. In fact, I'm happy on to position around Ndindi Nyoro at university as finance secretary of KUSA. I became that position 3 years after Ndindi Nyoro.
Wow.
But he is either him or Sifuna Oxfam release this report. This report should know about tabled as the state of the nation. Those are the things we need to be addressing.
Sure.
But whether to run away from this reality. To training as an economist, tumbako mipango maendeleo, tutidi situational analysis. Ikino to sometimes I say I'm a political economist, but kwena mwanya jo a politician and an economist. In terms of statement, a politician we must do this, but an economist akaja na kintu kitwa normative statement akauga twathithiojo tukagwatojo non tubwao. So ikethwa kintu kitwa evidence based decision making. So research is very key. Na research is happening right now in universities. Those are the things to inform.
There's also politically driven inequality. Today, without fear of contradiction, the poor people tend to get poor leaders. If you profile MPs, MCAs, and you see where they are coming from, just let's be frank with each other. It may be controversial, but I normally speak my mind because I've thought about it deeply. When elections are held, the very educated people don't find themselves contesting for seats in the poor neighborhoods. It is those with limited opportunities who contest for those seats. So when you elect an MCA who comes to City Hall and he has no knowledge to interrogate budgets, he has no knowledge to interrogate accounts, what are you telling? How is he going to represent his people on accountability issues?
Akumania na namba enkai ya Kenya kumamira utonga abonene. Eric ariuga baba nibo bathiri kugitwo goti nikenda chibitari kithomo na utungata bonge ebwona kigina. Ankoroki akiuga mbecha iji igatumirwo kuongera kigina kiria kiathurairwo antu barakura niu bakombithwa agukara motorire jwa bareha abago chiomba.
Tax is one way. Ira thirikari omba go tax pau bakai. Pau bena bako know this. Baka taxwa commensurately iko nyene nyana to raise in the economy more than 250 billion annually. To change the regime to taxation. Beche kiuma ke pau bakai bena benacho. Na beche ira ndi chiombe ko ijarande ko make sure mwana wonde onkya na mutonga iba kuona the best quality education. Anto baka thina no to health, no to health is also another factor. Kenda anto bomba kuona universal kera to kugera. Beche kiumaga from taxation. Na social protection. Those are the three areas. The public sector ira mpumie otwanyania to komba ku invest. Social protection kwena anto bana mawathe kwena senior citizens baraba to komba kuthondeka mbecha through mechara. Ikonyania ira eto inua jamii.
Yes.
Anto bombe no to dai barena mbecha 2000.
Yeah, barena 2000.
Ikokuwa hiyo ne batukwa doubled. Na ndembumbija hichi ne tonya ati social protection ne batukuitie huru. Da hizi inua jamii ine kwa senior citizens 2000 shillings. At least baraba ide research baruga kenda to reduce situation age inequality akoro baba eba at least 3900 at least whether by bakwe wagen to kiraki below the poverty line, but there is a lot that needs to be done.
Ethenye riu nawe Zakari Kimathi akiaria augite thirikari cia matura hamwe na thirikari nene ni ciathiri ikwenjaga Kenya kanya gakuga aguge bwao iguru ria jaria bakwenda ni ukenda kuona thirikari irikinyaniria mantu jaria ja kuringithia mu Kenya wa kiwango kia nthiburu, akiuga ati ugaruruku bwa riera ni untu bumwe buria bwikitie njara akiriukia buria janthigorone ya Kenya na thirikari ndi batere kujukia matagaria ajampwe gukabanira na ugaruruku bwo jario gutumiria mpara iri thina ya kinthigoro.
Kwarite tukumya andu bandu muru Lairoba Muthara Ruiri Rwarera na gundu kunthe miru tina ukurite shofko niumba gutethia antu bayo na tu shofko tuthia antu civic education. County government ni baterete kuthia ba kithithia budget na ikantu bera beta bakathia public participation. Tu shofko itutana antu gwita kuthithia public participation kinyethira tu shofko tugatethia itukwenda ketheja county government ikadikiria mparereryo kana wangi borio is a disaster issue. Parliament ikandikiria Kenya kwina funds cha disaster management whereby okona nande antu betu bakomba kwewa na nindi ngenda kwira ndukimbithi ngugi ya TVET mono TVET ngugi chianjara nondo ngugi chianjara oterandu bakarotiga kurara nyomba oterandu bakarotiga wekira stima ko ngugi itiura ko ikyo tuonaga twi shofko bwagirite antu kurita ngugi chia TVET nikenda bakomba guchitira ngugi bobongwa batiga kwatha nondo no thome yoga thoma kithomo gya social science niko geta go exercise na mbuga NGO chetu na cho social workers beto ni ba kaindene ya shofko na etio mba kuandika antu bonde.
Climate change impacts tend to affect the poor more than the rich. And even the incentives, like last week we had a debate on green fiscal incentives that we are introducing, the government is introducing as a policy that will mainstream climate adaptation in our financial sector. A very good idea. But when you looked at it, you realized most of the incentives were not pro-poor. They're actually pro-rich. So we need...
Kuringana na baingi ba ataalamu ni ati ukiabwaja nthiguruni ya Kenya ni bwakubangwa ni utongeria na njira yonkaki ya kuburita ni kwathurana kigomba na njothi. Amkwaga o Kenya igeta na mbere gutwika mugongo juankea na ukea.
You cannot fix a problem that you refuse to name. And so we're going to call it what it is. It's inequality, plain and simple. And here's the hope. Inequality is a policy choice. It's not an accident. It's structures that have been set up to provide that inequality. But reducing it or eliminating it is also a choice. We can choose to deal with inequality. We can choose progressive taxation that makes the wealthy pay their fair share. We can choose universal, well-funded public education. We can choose a healthcare system financed through general taxation and not through exclusionary premiums. We can choose a land justice system backed by law and not politics. We can choose a social protection system that covers every Kenyan, not just the lucky few. We can choose fair jobs, fair wages, labor rights that reflect dignity and not desperation. Ladies and gentlemen, we can choose to fix what's broken, not through slogans, but through political will. And I'm glad that members of the government are here to hear this. My message to us is this, to our government officials, to our development partners, to policymakers in this room. This is a moment of truth. We have reached a point where continuing on the same path is not just unsustainable, it is dangerous. Inequality corrodes trust, it undermines democracy, it fuels anger, and ultimately it threatens peace. We cannot afford policies that punish the poor to comfort the comfortable. We cannot afford debt repayment that starves our children's education and strips hospitals bare. We cannot afford to treat public anger as a nuisance instead of a warning. Real leadership means choosing fairness even when it is costly, choosing justice even when it's unpopular with the powerful, and choosing people over politics. As Oxfam, we have made a commitment. We will continue to be a fearless voice for the equality, equity, justice, and accountability. We will champion the reforms in this report. We will stand with citizens, especially women, youth, and marginalized communities, in demanding for a fairer Kenya. We will work with government where there's political will, and we will challenge government where there is none. And we will do it with respect, honesty, and conviction. A country that forces its citizens to make these kind of choices is a country in crisis. But a country that confronts the truth bravely, openly, and urgently is a country on the cusp of transformation. This report is not just a publication. It is a wake-up call.
Taxing the super rich. I'm very happy that Nairobi just hosted the UN Tax Convention. This is a very, very important step in moving towards both progressive taxes and also ensuring that these multinational corporations, which often go without paying their fair share of taxes,